Noor Aisha. I'm your biology educator. Welcome to Unacademy. Countdown has begun. Just 7 months to go. Are you ready? Can I get into my dream college? Is it feasible? Is it possible? If these are the questions which are cropping in your mind, please continue watching this video. You are racing against time, my child. You can lead a horse to water, but you cannot make him drink. Can you? No, you can't. If you are in stands and not taking actions, it will be a difficult task for you to crack NEET. If you take actions, you will see payoffs. You will see results. If you are just thinking, procrastinating, then you can't crack NEET. Can I crack NEET 2024 or I need to re-attempt in 2025? I'm not going to answer this question. It is up to you. You can crack if you make resolution. You can crack if you are determined. I'm nobody to say that. I can help you, but you have to make that decision. Consciously, you have to make that decision. Do you know, approximately 20 to 21 lakh students appear for NEET every year. This year, the number may go up. We don't know. Competition is fierce, very fierce. It's not hard to crack NEET, but why students fail to do it? This is because of sheer competition. The ratio of aspirants to the number of seats is huge. Many students are burning midnight oil. The competition is cutthroat. Where do you stand? What are you doing? Are you taking appropriate steps? You need to work really, really hard with sustained, I'm stressing, sustained discipline, motivation, perseverance, consistency. You need to make sacrifices and compromises. If you are ready to endure pain, then definitely you can crack NEET, and I'm there to help you out. You have to make resolutions. You have to work smartly. Don't question your integrity by asking this question frequently. 5 months left, can I crack? 4 months left, can I crack? Don't doubt your credibility. Start with a clean slate. Put your heart and soul, and definitely you can crack. Can you shun your mobile addiction? Can you resist social media temptations to stay focused? If answer is yes, then definitely you can crack. I feel many of my students are ready to endure pain to get the tag of doctor. So let's start. By the way, where do you miss the bus? Where do you make mistakes? What is lacking? Number 1, you lack discipline. The students who are doubting themselves and who are not putting efforts, they lack discipline. They are not consistent with their studies. They start with 8 to 10 hours per day. They start with great zeal and enthusiasm, but it fades away slowly. For days together, they don't read, they don't even touch the book. With this attitude, I'm sorry to say it's difficult to crack NEET. Students who crack NEET are average students. They are not very intelligent, they are not very smart. They are average students, but they are consistent. Consistency is the key to success. If you are consistent, yes, you can get into a dream college of yours. I will promise. You make a commitment to be consistent, I promise you to help you in biology. Stay focused. Switch off your mobiles. Log out of your social media networks. Do whatever it takes for you to be disciplined. But be disciplined and be consistent. Many students overrate some topics or chapters. This is the second common mistake which students make. Some students, they say they fall into love with human physiology and they keep spending enormous amount of time reading human physiology. How this pacemaker works, how is grafting done. This is not required. This is not the need of the hour. You are writing NEET. You are not doing PhD. Confine yourself to NCERT. NCERT is your Bible. You need to know every line of NCERT. 3 to 5% extra you need to know. That is not an issue. The educators are there, your teachers are there. I'm there with you to help you out and to guide you. But please don't spend a lot of time in understanding things which are not a part of NCERT. This will kill your time. You are wasting your time. So avoid this. It's better to take a printout of NCERT and mark it. Whatever you have completed, just mark. The third most prominent excuse or the common excuse which students give is lame excuse. This is the excuse. I'm saying this is an excuse. All their excuses are lame. They say, I'm getting sleep, I can't study, I'm going through problems, my family is into turmoil, I'm going through upheaval, I'm having emotional turmoil. This is not acceptable. Stop giving excuses. There are issues which are genuine, like health problems. I'm not saying that, but most of the times the excuses with which you come up are lame, very lame. Stop giving these excuses. Come out of your comfort zone. If you are in your comfort zone, you can't achieve anything. You are going to become future doctors. In your internship, you are supposed to spend 36 to 38 hours and work tirelessly, incessantly. At that time, you can't say that, oh, I'm feeling sleepy, I'm feeling tired, I can't work. If you think so, then this profession is not for you. Then you have to think of a mediocre life. If you want to gain something, you have to endure pain. No pain, no gain. So stop giving excuses. Your parents are working too hard for you. They are not giving any excuse. They are not saying that, oh, I'm not feeling well, let me take off, let me stay home. You are not shouldering any responsibility. Your only responsibility as a student is to study. Study, study, and study. I'm not saying that you should forget play. You should avoid parties. Your parties, celebrations, movies, weekends, they can wait. But these 2 precious years, they will never ever come back in your life. This time is too precious, my child. You have to be very, very cautious. Time is money. Especially these 2 years are too precious for you. So don't indulge in any other activities which will waste your time. Stay focused. Work hard. Be determined. Be consistent. If you are able to be consistent, then definitely you can crack it. Consistency is the key. I am reiterating, be consistent, be disciplined, stay focused, be self-motivated.